Hey Raiders, I'm gonna show you the two fastest way to safe pocket your snap hook on a controller. Alright, so in your inventory screen, your snap hook has been slot 1. You're gonna navigate to the snap hook using the right analog stick, selecting the item and moving it to the safe pocket with the right analog stick, and then you're closing the menu with the back button or the back button or the B button. Alright, I'm gonna show you guys the second method, which is actually faster than the first method. For this one, with the right analog stick, you want to move to the snap hook and then hit the action button, then confirm move to safe pocket. Here's how we look in real time. It's faster than the first method, but in the grand scheme of things, it really doesn't matter. I mean, they're both really fast. If the video helped you guys out, feel free to leave a like and spread the word. Peace.